All right, this is a short tutorial. I had one of my subscribers ask me to show him how I did the interior when I used the foam to make the inside door panels and seat covers and so forth. What I started with, or what you'll need to do it, um, is I've got this craft foam sheets from, actually I think I got this from Dollar Tree. Yes, I did. Got it from Dollar Tree. Comes 10 sheets, all different colors, um, pinks, blues, dark pink, red, light pink, yellow, greens, orange, and a green, and 2 sheets of orange. But anyway, that's what you need to do it. And I have a sample that I've done already here. This was with the squares to make just like squares with dots. You'll need a burnishing tool with a point on it. This is an X-Acto knife. They give you blades, and they give you some other points that you can do it with. There's a hook blade, another straight one with a ball on the end, then this one, and then they give you a couple of X-Acto blades. I bought this kit. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken. But this is the one that I use with the little round point because it fawns. And you need I use a metal ruler because it's easy for this to run on and keep it straight. Yeah, I'll kind of give you an idea of what I did. And then I glue it down to the seat with white glue, white schoolhouse glue. And it just conforms real easy because it's thin and thin. They make it thicker. It's harder to use, but this works really well, and it conforms to the seat no matter what the shape is, or the door panel, or whatever you would be using it for. But here again, I'll just give you an idea. I'm going to cut a piece of this off, put it on the side. And if you wanted to do a diamond check door panel, I would just start right like this, and then you take and just draw a line and move over 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch, something like that. Every 1/8 of an inch, just keep drawing a line. And I don't know if you'll be able to see that. You can see the lines that I scored in it. And then just turn it the other way and make like if you want to make a square, and just do that. And it's easier to draw the ruler down because you can see where you are and line up to make your next cut. And actually not a cut, a scribe. And that's what you wind up with. And you can see where you would get the diamond tucks like that. And then I take a very, very ultra fine point Sharpie black. And if you wanted to do like button tucks in the middle of it, you would just take on the 2 intersecting lines, just make a dot where you intersect the 2 lines. And this is kind of in a hurry, but and you would get your buttons in the pattern. If you wanted to, you could take the highlighter and just draw right through it very lightly. And as I said, I'm just doing this fast because I don't want the video to go way too long. That would highlight your patterns like stitching in it and give you what it would be. Then you would just take your seat and to glue it down on the seat, roll it for post or whatever. This stuff is very, very pliable, and it works really, really well. So that's basically all I do, and I'll give you another look at what I did, if I can get you to see it inside the truck. I did the highlighting on the seats and the door panels because this particular model, the interior bucket, the door panels are made in the model itself. So it was very, very shallow imprints and so forth. So I just kind of did it like that. Let's see, you can see this bottom of the seat. And then to do the seat, you do the bottom and then let it roll down, and then do the top and let it roll up. And I don't know if you're able to catch the back of it. I rolled it behind the seat and glued it with that white Elmer's glue. And that's all I did. So I hope this answers your question. Scale Model Frenzy is the one that asked me to do it. And because I normally don't do tutorials, I'm not that good. But he asked for it, so I promised him I'd try to do it. And it's taken me probably a week or so to get the time to sit in here to make it and set it up. But hopefully that helps you out with doing it. And if you have any more questions, feel free to email me or contact me through YouTube, whatever, and I'll try to answer any or address any other questions you may have. All right. Have a great day.